Had another unbelievable shot which wins the Masters. Oh, hang on. Look at the shape on this.
Oh, Rory McIlroy.
Rattle fucking.
Oh, what a shot.
Absolutely Masters elect winner. Come on, mate.
What a set of stones he's just shown.
For me, that's
unbelievable.
That's a deserved.
Tiger-esque, that's one. You see Tiger stomping down 15 after the shot he played in yesterday. Did you see them yesterday comparing McIlroy and Tiger shot on 15? That's even better.
It's the same freaking shot, wasn't it?
What a shot.
Look at the shape on that, though.
That is aggressive.
He needed to
and
be
he goes
didn't he?
Storming after it as well.
Absolutely beautiful, that.
Carried it the perfect distance.
Is he got a whole
a yard short, and that like stops in the bank.
We've got a tricky 6-footer there for the birdie if he makes it.
For the eagle.